Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have this exceptional BMW to share with you. This is a 2013 535i xDrive with only 53,000 miles. It also has over $10,000 in factory options, including the deep sea blue metallic paint we're seeing right here. It is factory original on all metal panels, we did confirm that. And it's been combined with an oyster Napa leather interior. Just such a nice place to be in this 5 Series, especially with those 18-way adjustable seats, which are pretty much the seats from a 7 Series. That's another rare option this vehicle has. It's refreshing to see one in the ultra nice color. Most of these have the basic black or silver with the black interior, so it's a rare find to get a 5 Series this well optioned with the ultra cool color combo. So if you'd like to own this 5 Series, you can do that. It's for sale here at AlphaCars Motorcycles. You can view the listing on our website, alphacars.com. The link is at the top of the description below. You can view the availability, and if it is still available, you can view the pricing on there as well. We do offer vehicle transportation, so if you aren't local but you'd like this BMW 5 Series, reach out to our team and we can give you the shipping options there. But with all that being said, let's get into the condition overview of this BMW. First, we're going to start at the exterior of the 5 Series as we do our initial walk around of the vehicle. I will say, be sure to get familiar with our online listing. It is very detailed. You can view all the factory options, the window sticker, the Carfax report, even the individual paint thickness readings from each metal panel. As I said in the intro, we did confirm this is factory original paint. It does have the clean Carfax, and we back that up with the paint meter readings, which you can view for yourself on that online listing, as well as the remaining tire and brake life. But now let's get picky, so to speak. Let's check out all the different areas of the exterior. Nice glossy shine really throughout. You can see factory Mercedes glass, or not Mercedes, factory BMW glass. We do a lot of Mercedes here as well. But yeah, factory BMW glass coming around at the front. The headlight lenses are nice and clear. A few bits of cosmetic imperfections on the front bumper. There is the light scuff right here and here. And there's a little bit of the evidence of the highway use, but it's not too bad. You'd really have to point most things out to notice them. The front of the hood is excellent though. Now going down the side of the vehicle, let's go at the angle where we can see any dings, scratches, or irregularities in how the light reflects off the panel. And I mean, everything is looking good here. There is the imperfection right here on the door. I want to point that out. But everything else to my eye looks great. Now at the rear glass, the roof, you can see the fin antenna there is in good shape. At the back now we're at the trunk. Rear bumper. There are a few scuffs on the rear bumper as you would expect. It's hard to see depending on the lighting, but there's a few scuffs on the top just from putting things in the back of the vehicle. And there is the imperfection right here and right here. I want to point those out. And there is the light surface imperfection just right there. Now going down the passenger side, we'll give it the same treatment. And I mean, this side is looking awesome. I'm not seeing really anything to report. Now let's pay attention to the wheels. All the wheels are in excellent condition. Center caps, everything looking great. As well as the brakes as well. The rotor surface is nice and clean. And now lastly, the driver's front wheel here. So I don't think I really have anything to report on the wheels. The condition on all of them looks really nice. Let's open up the trunk, which has the auto opener. It's one of the many options this vehicle has. It's in great condition back here. You've got the full set of factory mats, which have really little to no evidence of use. Driver's mat has the most evidence of use, but it's still in very good shape. And you can pick up the trunk floor, and you got some storage back here as well. And this has the 60-40 split seats that fold down with the levers. Oh, and it has the first aid kit up here. I love these, how they drop down. And it's almost like the little workbench, but you've got your tow hook there. I believe that's a wheel lock key and your first aid kit. So that is all pretty cool. I love to see those complete. And press the button and the trunk closes just like that. Now getting to the interior. Awesome color combo. I know I already talked about that a little bit, but the light headliner, light seats with the black carpet and trims. Really, really nice. And looking at the condition, commenting on that, there is the light scuff here. I'm guessing that's from the seatbelt. Hit that when someone was grabbing it at some point. The seating surfaces back here, overall they're in good condition, but there are a couple imperfections in the leather. Right here, a couple little scuffs. It's not through the material, but it's definitely there. And in the center console here, center armrest, you've got all the storage and the cup holders. You've even got a pass through to the trunk. And there is an imperfection here. Once again, I'm guessing from the seatbelt. This does have the cold weather package, so it has rear heated seats. So your passengers will love riding in the back of the 5 Series. Now looking at this door panel, everything's looking great. This car is very clean in all the door jambs, the seals, the gaskets. Really no corrosion or anything like that. It was very well taken care of. And now looking at the seating surfaces over here is looking really nice. Now we're gonna cross back over to the passenger side. We're gonna look in the passenger front, and then we'll move to the driver's front and start it up. These 18-way seats are amazing. They're pretty much the seats, if I'm not mistaken, from the 7 Series. So you really get a slice of that luxury in the 5 Series, which is already a very luxurious vehicle. But checking out the condition of everything, you've got the seat settings there. There is the factory owner's manual with the car. You can view a picture of that and some of the booklets on that online listing, among a bunch of other professional images as well. Dash condition is great. Nice big infotainment, iDrive screen. Center armrest condition looks really good. Passenger seat, little to no evidence it was really ever used. It's in really good condition. And all these adjustments you can make, including just the upper half of the seat. And this you actually pull and kind of bend to contort to your head, to kind of hold your head like a hand. So that is always a very luxurious thing in these vehicles, that if you are a BMW enthusiast, you might be familiar with those from the 90s 7 Series that had those. So ultra cool to see that in here. Driver's door panel. Looking pretty good. A little bit of maybe discoloration here and there, but I'm just getting real picky. And there is the little bit of imperfection right here. Just want to point that out. The driver's seat now looks really good. A little bit of evidence, you know, someone got in and out a few times, but really normal for the leather. And now let's get in, start it up. Foot on the brake. One touch of operation. You can see service due in 10,000 miles there. So service is not due right now, but these BMWs, they say service due when you start them up, just to remind you to be on top of the maintenance when it is due in the future. We can actually go in the iDrive screen as well. Right now we're on the navigation, which is very accurate. But if we go to menu, vehicle info, vehicle status, we can go to service required and check this out. Everything is in the okay there, which is a great thing to see. People staying on top of the various things like the brake fluid flushes that BMW requires on their vehicles, which is good practice for any vehicle, of course. But looking at all the touch points and the controls in here, everything's looking good. You've got the heated steering wheel right here, which just does get nice and hot. You've got the heated seats in the front. All very nice. Cup holders, gear selector, center console. Yeah, everything works great in this car, as well as the sunroof. Let me show you that works great. And then we'll close the sunshade as well. And it is one-touch operation, which is nice. There we go. You can see that's all in nice condition. And I forget if I confirmed the mileage or not, but you've seen it there, 179. So, I mean, I guess that's really all I have to show you in here right now. Let's pop the hood. We'll take a look at this turbocharged straight six. Really one of the best engines BMW's ever made in one of the best generations of 5 Series BMW's ever made. These F10 generation cars, people love these things. They take great care of them because they want to keep them forever. This one's no different. It has been very well taken care of, even though it wasn't used a whole lot. So, but yeah, it's all very clean in under here, very orderly. And even the underside of the hood. You can see the VIN over here. And yeah, that is really it. Very happily idling turbocharged 6-cylinder. So I want to thank you for watching this video on this 5 Series. If you are interested in this vehicle, you can inquire through our website or give us a call, 978-263-9000. We're happy to share the shipping options with you if you aren't local. And we are enthusiasts here as well. That's why we get excited about vehicles like this. We specialize in finding vehicles like this. And makes us very satisfied when we find the enthusiast owner or the owner that feels the same as we do about the vehicles we sell. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If the video was helpful, leave a like and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on these vehicle finds.